So in this problem, what we are going to do is a common procedure that we will see throughout this chapter. Sort of when everything else fails, we'll rewrite everything in terms of sine and cosine. So this sine, the sine of t is obviously already in terms of sine, but the cotangent, we can rewrite that as the cosine over the sine. And then that'll still be times the cosine of t. All right. And if we simplify that term to the right further, you have cosine t over sine t times the cosine of t. We can multiply the two cosines together. Well, they're not going to cancel. They will give us cosine squared. So we'll have sine t plus the cosine squared of t over the sine of t. And one common procedure that we'll have to do is combine two separate pieces. And we can do that, we can combine like two fractions here by getting a what? Common denominator. All right, so the first part, the sine of t has a denominator of 1. The cosine squared t over sine t has a denominator of sine t. So this portion right here is good to go. All right, it already has a denominator of sine t because that's what our LCD will be. But this portion, we have to get its denominator to be sine t. So we will have to multiply the numerator and denominator by sine t. So this will now give us, the denominators are the same now, correct? So I have the sine of t in the denominator, and we will have sine squared t plus cosine squared t in the numerator. What's sine squared plus cosine squared? 1. So we'll have 1 over sine t, and 1 over sine t is equal to reciprocal identity? Cosecant. 1 over sine t, the reciprocal sign is cosecant, so this would be equivalent to the cosecant of t.